grasses gently grow. Two happy towns could wave and see, yet stayed apart so quietly. Two friendly towns, one town woke with the morning sun. Bells rang out the day begun. The other glowed at evening time, with lantern lights and songs in rhyme. Children wade from shore to shore, wondering what the river's for. So close, they laughed yet far away, dreaming of a shared play day. Across the water, hearts agree, someday friends will surely be. Build it strong, build it right, with helping hands and hearts so light. Side by side, hand in hand, we'll build a bridge across the land. Ella lived where the sun rose bright. Bella waved in evening light. They shared their dreams across the stream. In every wave a hopeful gleam. Bella's handled plan. Ella said, what if we tried? Bella nodded, yes, oh my. Let's ask for help, both big and small. A bridge for everyone, one and all. Well, one laughed or turned away. They smiled and said, let's start today. Build it strong, build it true. There's so much good that we can do. Wood and stone, dreams so grand. We'll build a bridge across the land. Some brought wood, some measured ground. Happy voices all around. Parents, children, old and new, each one knew just what to do. They sang songs to pass the time. Clap, clap hands in steady rhyme. Laughter floated with the breeze, under dancing river trees. Hammer tap and footsteps stand. We're building love across the land. When arms grew sore and backs felt tight, the sun still smiled with gentle light. Ella whispered, we're almost there. Bella said, let's stop and share. Sharing strength, they shared water, shared a smile. Rested just a little while. Soon their strength came back again. Helping hands reached out, amen. Not the wood or stone so neat, but helping hearts made it complete. Kindness strong and patience grand, built the bridge across the land. Build it slow, build it kind, leave no helping hand behind. Every heart can understand how to build a bridge across the land. At last the bridge stood safe and wide, shining gently by the river. riverside. Flags waved high, bells rang clear, a joyful cheer that all could hear.